Life can be full of surprises, but your dentures shouldn't be one of them. C-Bond helps you feel confident in your dentures by holding your uniquely sized dentures securely in place. In fact, C-Bond is proven to hold stronger all day versus the leading paste. It's easy, clean, and quick. First, place the dry C-Bond seal onto your clean denture. Trim any overlap with scissors. If the seal bunches in the back of the upper denture, cut a second V to help it fit. Once the size is right, use this as your template to cut more seals. By planning ahead and trimming several seals at one time, you can make your morning denture routine fast and easy. Second, place the trim seal on the clean, dry denture pink side down, white side up. Spray or mist it with water to lightly moisten, but make sure not to soak it. Gently tap the seal into place with your fingertip. Next, place the dentures into your mouth and bite down evenly for 5 seconds. To remove the seal from your denture, simply lift the corner and peel away. The easy removal of C-Bond is unlike denture paste, which can stick to dentures and require time-consuming scraping to get clean. Then your dentures can soak in a cleansing C-Bond bath right away. Just make sure to change the seal daily. Dentures shouldn't be a source of worry. Feel more secure. Feel a stronger hold with C-Bond.